Welcome back to Sudden Urge Kitchen. Whether it's Meatless Monday, Tostada Tuesday, or you just have a serious craving for something crunchy and delicious, this one hits the spot. No meat required. We're starting with fresh pico de gallo because a good tostada deserves a good pico. I chopped up some tomatoes, then let my trusty full-star chopper make quick work of the onion and jalapeno. I added some cilantro and a good squeeze of lime, then give it all a stir and let those flavors get acquainted while we work on everything else. And while the pico is doing its thing, don't forget to like and subscribe because you never know what craving will satisfy next. Next up, a can of refried beans gets a little help from cumin and garlic powder, then into the microwave until warm and ready for its very important structural responsibilities. I shredded up about a half a block of pepper jack cheese, followed by a little less than half a small head of lettuce. Then I combined some thawed corn with rinsed and drained black beans and seasoned the whole thing with cumin, garlic powder, and just a little chili powder. I warmed this up just enough to take the chill off. For our finishing drizzle, I mixed sour cream with salsa verde until it was creamy, tangy, and absolutely ready to go on everything. And now for the best part. Start with a warm, crispy tostada shell, then add a layer of those seasoned refried beans, pepper jack cheese, the corn and black bean mixture, shredded lettuce, and a completely reasonable mountain of the fresh pico. Finish the whole thing off with the creamy salsa verde drizzle. And there it is. Crunchy, creamy, fresh, cheesy, a little spicy, and completely delicious. Thanks for hanging out in my kitchen today. When the craving hits, we make it happen.